I just want to say a few brief words about comments. Now, you can comment your code to add descriptions, for example, to explain something that might not be obvious from just looking at the code. So, for example, I would write, here's the comment start marker, here's the comment end marker. That's a slash and an asterisk. I just describe the comment here. This function greets the user with the name entered. The comment will be ignored. It's not considered as part of the code, so I can put anything in there that's just a descriptive piece of text, some sort of documentation. This is a traditional C-style comment. It's used throughout many other languages based on C syntax. As an alternative, you can have line comments. For example, if I wanted to comment out, that is to stop this line being recognized as code, I would just put these two slash characters at the beginning. You can see in this case, Komodo Edit, which I'm using, colors the line now in a different color. This is the color that I've set up for comments in the editor, so it's clearly not a piece of normal code. Remove the slashes and it goes back to colored normally, and it is a piece of code. The advantage of single line comments is that I can start my line, I can start my comment at any point. So here I can put a comment tagged on at the end of the code line. This is in fact a comment to myself saying I don't really understand what I'm doing here. I need to come back and do something later on. And sometimes you will put in comments, to do comments, to do clarify this, or whatever. You need to be aware that the comments available in the script section are different from the comments in HTML. Most editors do some sort of automatic commenting for you. And for example, if I were to mark off, if I were to comment this out, I could mark it off in Komodo, and I could go into the menu system and select comment region. And that puts in the appropriate HTML style comments, which begin with this angle bracket, an exclamation point, and a couple of dashes, and they end with a couple of dashes and this other angle bracket. And in fact, Komodo also does commenting of script sections, and it defaults to line comments. So I can comment region, and it puts a line comment, those double slash markers, in front of every single line of code. And of course, if I want to uncomment, then I just uncomment the region. And you'll probably find something similar in whichever editor or IDE you happen to have chosen for writing your own web pages and JavaScripts. So that's just a quick aside on comments. We'll be commenting code later on in this course, so just bear in mind the differences between the comments available in the script section, that's the bit between the script tags, and anything outside the script section, which is regarded as HTML and requires this HTML style of comment instead.